Lyra is not leaving The Voice. Lyra has slammed a fake report claiming that she has quit The Voice to venture into the beauty industry. Taking to Instagram, the singer urged fans to spread the message that the article is fake. This article going around FB claiming that I have left Voice to go into the beauty industry is completely fake. Please alert your friends and family not to fall prey to this. Lyra added that people should not be duped into buying the beauty product being falsely advertised using her name. I have absolutely nothing to do with this product, and it's merely a fraudulent post meant to get people to make a purchase and have their credit cards scammed.